my unboxing friends. My name is Christine and I am back with another haul from Temu. Now, if you're not familiar, Temu is a huge shopping website at great discounts. You can find almost anything on Temu, and I test it all the time. Like, it'd be like, okay, mini chainsaw, and I look, they have them. I look for back braces, they have them. Any kitchen gadget, they have them. So they even have clothing and camping equipment. I mean, I can go on forever right now, but let's go ahead and see what I got this time. Now, they do have an influencer program or affiliate program. You get great bonuses. You get bonus coupons, exclusive savings. You get free products as being part of the affiliate influencer program. Now, this is how you can find the link. Go right from the home page, just scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see that link there, and you just click on that and that'll give you a chance to sign up if you are an influencer. They need help spreading the word, and I'm anxious to get in this bag. So the first thing I am pulling out looks like a shirt. Now, I have bought a shirt from Temu before, and I was pleasantly surprised at the quality. So this shirt I got for $8.48. It's a stretchy fabric, and it is a t-shirt. Very stretchy. We've got a green and white stripe. This is not an actual thread. It's just printed on there. So I'm not too crazy about that. Let's see what this is made of. This is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. It is in the size extra large. Let's go ahead and put it on. So here we go. It is a nice length. I like the length, how it covers your butt a little bit. We've got a little opening here. It has a hem about that big all the way around. I think it fits really nice. It doesn't have the super short sleeves, which irritate me to no end, you know what I'm saying? But I like it. It feels kind of cooling on the skin right now, which is nice because I've been getting warm in that long sleeve shirt. But so I think it's cute. Just sport me up a little bit. The next thing are these salt and pepper shakers. I got these for $6.99. I have salt and pepper shakers that I've had for like 20 years, and they finally gave up. So when I open it, this is what I see. We have one that says S for salt, and the other one says P for pepper. And this is what they look like. They have stainless steel all the way down to here. And the bottom is glass. Oh, it even says pepper right there. So let's see. Stainless steel all throughout the top, which is good. Easy pour. Nice. And these are just shakers. They're not grinders or anything. They're just shakers. So I am really happy to get those. Little upgrade in my kitchen. The next thing, I'm always on the hunt for a shaver that actually works for legs. And this one I got for $11.99. I'm sure you recognize it. This is like, it's very similar to the As Seen on TV one. So I'm really hoping that this works. It says removes hair instantly and it's pain-free. Let's look at it. Okay, so we have it in one of these little packages, and it comes with a brush to clean the heads. It comes with a USB power cord. And here it is. It's very nice to hold in the hand, and it has a hard cover to protect the heads from any damage. This would be nice to take on trips. Very easy to use. So should we see if it actually works? Ooh! It works. So you just glide it over your skin and it shaves all the stubble, and we'll see if this works good for my whole leg, but I'm excited so far. Now, I do have to say that the light is not very bright, and I'm wondering if that's because it needs to be charged. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it. And I plugged it in, and here is a little red indicator light. I'm hoping that turns green when it's ready. And it does come with an instruction booklet. Let's see, does it? Charge the unit for about an hour for a full charge. So everybody curls their lashes. I have never owned any of these in my life. So I decided to go ahead and try it. My girlfriend was like, "You don't curl your lashes?" All right. 58 cents I got this for. 58 cents. There we go. We've got the little rubber piece. Now, I've already done my eyes, so I don't know if it'll... I've never done this before. Ooh, I feel it. I don't know if it made a difference. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see anything. But there we go, Cindy. I finally got one. 58 cents. Now, I also have, okay. Now, this is a paint by number. I got it for $5.58. This is what it looks like. Real pretty turquoise flowers and a wooden background. So I thought that would look really good back there. And I got this, I thought of it, that my girlfriend and I can have like a rainy day inside and do something together. And I thought this would be fun. So this is a 40 by 50, probably centimeters. It comes with all the paint you need in a nice wrapped up little package. It even comes with the brushes that you'll need. This is a canvas material, and let's see what it looks like. We have the instructions in here, and here is what it looks like. That's pretty big. I will be at this for a long time. It's so bright, you can't see anything. All right, there we go. I had to tip it, but you get the idea. It's a paint by number. It's big. That's what she said. So I am looking forward to this. Now, I do have canvases that I can glue this on so that it's easier for me to work with. You can put it on poster board or even cardboard, anything about the same size so that you can frame it later. So I'm excited about that. I am excited to get that going with her. We have so much fun together. I haven't seen her in a little while because my back is out. I sprained my ankle. I mean, I am a walking disaster. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oops. Okay. Now, the last couple things. Now, I bought, as you can see here, there's a couple of blonde wigs. I also have a wig over there. Some people said that I looked good in them, but my girlfriend said, girl, you cannot pull those off. so, so I'm trying shorter and darker. Let's see, which one is this one? This one looks to be, well, let me pull it out and see. I got two of them. This is the 4-inch dark red. This one I got for $7.19. You can get the same wigs on Amazon for $25, $30. The same exact wig. Now, these are not fancy-dancy lace front wigs. These are just wigs. So, I'm pulling this off. I'm caught. Okay. And when you get a wig like this, you just shake it out because it's already been styled for you. Now, this is the color I used to have my hair before I stopped coloring it. So this is my natural color, and I did this color when I was just actually not that long ago. So let me put this thing on. I also got this from Temu. This was not even $1. It's a silicone wig band. It's got little nubbies on it. And you just slip it over. You put it in place in the back. The hard part is getting everything in there. Slip it behind your ears. Now I'm going to skip the wig cap. Let's see if I can get these under there because they're gray. We don't want those showing. Okay, that's not so bad. Here we go. I'll just have to. Okay. Now, like I said, these don't have a lace cap. They have an open weft, and they also have straps for sizing it. Now I've got to figure out what's the top and what's the bottom. And then we just, you put your forehead in first. And then you pull it back. Now these, of course, have to be styled again after you get them. This top is very flat. But there we go. I don't think that's my hair sticking out. And then you just bring this up to your hairline. And that's where it would sit. But, you know, spike it up. But that's what this one kind of looks like. It's kind of, I don't have my glasses on. I really can't see. Okay. I kind of look like a school teacher. No offense, I swear. But I think you know what I mean. Can you see any of mine under there? I didn't tuck it in. This is where the wig cap comes in handy because you can tuck in pieces. But that's what that looks like. Oh, wow. Do I look older? Do I look younger? This has really got to be worked on because oh, okay, this goes over here. Okay, that looks better now that I discovered that. Oh. I think it's supposed to be kind of spiky and fun, but I could do this one, I think. Okay, we have one more. This one I got for $6.50. This is the Natural Short Brown Mixed Blonde. I don't know why I'm trying wigs. I just thought it would be fun. It's cheap enough. And just to show you what they have, you know? So here is this one. You can see that it's more of a brown. It doesn't have a part, it just has a midpoint here. And you just shake it out. Same thing, there's no lace. It is an open weft again. Same thing, it has the little straps to adjust it tighter or looser. Let's go ahead and remove this one. Oh yeah, now this is a look. Okay, where's the front? Forehead first. All right. I don't know which way this one goes. Let's put it up to my hairline. Okay. This one's kind of cute. You've got to get it styled and put in place. This is too far back because I can see. There we go. This one's kind of cute. I think I have to trim the bangs just a little bit, and then I could probably get this to look a lot like my current style just based on how I cut. How come this one's shorter? What's going on here? It's not supposed to be like that. Am I square? I'm square. Maybe just some is tucked in there? Okay, so that's weird. Oh, wait. Ah, okay. A lot of it is caught up in here somehow. I can kind of feel it. I have to figure it out. But I like this one. If I can figure out why this side is shorter than this side, I don't think that's the intention. Doesn't look like it in the picture. In the picture, it looks... Actually, in the picture, it's parted on this side, but it still doesn't explain why that side is shorter than the other. Let's investigate. Okay, yeah. It's the same on each side. This side was just tucked under. But I thought these were cute. So that is what is this? A wig cap. I thought I had something extra to open. Whew! Now I have to fix this mess. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.